Hey guys, welcome to the first video on the Nova channel. Today I'm on RAINGG. I've got $36 in the crank. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you gamble responsibly. My referral link is down in the description if anyone wants to use it, and let's go ahead. Alright, I think I'm gonna start it off with some upgrader. Let's go $4 on a 1.5. Not looking good. Okay, I'm gonna just go with $3 on a 2x. Oh my gosh, not looking good. This could be my sign to get out, or it could be my sign to run it back. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, we're back up to 32. Let's go to some battles. Oh boys. Okay, let's go jackpot 2v2. There we go. Three v 3 standard mode. Okay. Oh my gosh, rain pool first spin. Oh my gosh, boys. We got a rain pool on the first spin. Let's go gold. Oh yes. $4. Oh my gosh. Rain spin again. Oh my gosh, double rain spin. Yo. We got rain spins galore. Let's give us a gold. Okay. $10, not bad. Another rain spin maybe. Okay, not bad. Oh my gosh, they've got another rain. We've got almost 50-50 right now. Come on. Okay. $7, that's fine. 5 place. We busted. Give us a rain. Yo! Oh, Franklin's good, right? No. This is battle scarred, I think. Damn, bro. These boys are really going crazy on these rain spins. No! Shit. Okay, we're gonna have to try and snipe this jackpot unless this acid pops off. Okay. Let's try snipe this. Yo. Oh man. Okay, I think I'm gonna create the same battle. Give these bots the clovers. Come on. Rain us. Okay. It's the dollar. Come on. Rain spin us. Oh, this is so bad right now, boys. Okay, maybe this sticker might be good. Okay, juice us, please. Rags to riches. Okay, 5 place. We need to get juiced on this. Yes, rain spin. Okay, they pulled a $5. Juice us up. Oh, gold. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Okay. I'm trying to get juiced. Acid case, juice us. Double rain spin. Yes, boys, let's go. Oh my gosh, this is a jackpot. If we get sniped, I'm gonna... Oh, gold, gold, gold. No, not bad at all. Red, blue, yes, let's go. We won. Oh, we're back, boys. Yo. Oh, that is how you win jackpot. Okay. Yeah, boys, I'm gonna call the video right there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm happy with that profit. I'll see you boys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. We have so much planned for this channel. Thank you so much for tuning along. See you in the next one.